how to find your transaction history on TikTok. Hello guys, today I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. Make sure that you like it, subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it. And after this, when you open your TikTok, you will just go down here on your profile, then open it. And after this guys, you will just go up at the top of the screen and click on this three line. Then you go to settings and privacy in the bottom of the screen. Then you will go to balance, and then when your balance is opening, you will just go here on this icon. Then you will click like this, and then here you will find your transaction history, like of all the type. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next video.